this is me, Haspa with WTI. And if you are a traveler and vlogger just like me and you always want to have your tripod on the go, well, this Magsafe Tripod from elitehood is perfect, and I would highly recommend it because it's very easy to use. It's thin card style design, fits in your pocket easily, and that's definitely my favorite part. Something that I also love about it is that it is anti-slip, so it has a lot of stability on any surface. It firmly secures to my phone or any Magsafe cases, so that's pretty awesome. I think this is great because it's an all-in-one guy. You can use it as a kickstand, grip, or tripod mount. That's so versatile. And I love that I can also set different angles for the tripod depending on what I'm doing at the moment or what position I want my phone to be. That's very useful. And last but not least, the material. It's made of lightweight aluminum with weatherproof and anti-scratch coating. And that's something that really matters to me, something that won't scratch any of my surfaces, especially this table, which is my dining table, and it's where I usually work from home. But that's just my point of view.